Here's an easy way to save a massive amount of fees on Coinbase, a reduction of almost 70%. So on the left-hand side, I've got one screen on the simple version of Coinbase, and on the right-hand side, I'm going to toggle the advanced version by clicking that. And you're going to notice the difference in the fees. So if I go to Bitcoin, on the left-hand side, on the simple version, go to buy, let's try $100 worth of Bitcoin, and check what the fees are for that. You'll notice it's about 3%. So $3.30 for a $100 transaction, just over 3%. On the flip side, let's try and purchase the same amount of Bitcoin here on the right-hand side on Coinbase Advanced. So I'm going to buy the same amount of Bitcoin, and you'll see here that the fee is less than $1. So that's a reduction in almost 2/3 of the fees by using Coinbase Advanced. It is a little bit of a trickier interface, but once you get used to it, you can set your limit price, or you can set a market price, which is the current market price you wish to set an order at. Enter your details, and you'll see the estimated fees will be a fraction of what you would ordinarily get on the simple version of Coinbase. So I recommend this if you're going to be transacting frequently. It will save you hundreds of dollars in the long term. Hope that has helped you. Feel free to comment on how you save fees and transact efficiently on Coinbase or any other cryptocurrency exchange such as Kraken or Binance.